Google ratings play a significant role in the success of new projects, particularly those that rely on online visibility and customer engagement. Here are some reasons why Google ratings are important for new projects. Online reputation. Google ratings provide a snapshot of a project's reputation and customer satisfaction. Positive ratings and reviews help build trust and credibility among potential customers. They serve as social proof that the project delivers quality products or services. Increased visibility. Google ratings affect a project's search engine visibility. Higher ratings and positive reviews can improve the project's ranking in search engine results, making it more likely to appear at the top of relevant searches. This increased visibility can drive more organic traffic to the project's website or listing. Consumer decision-making. Many consumers rely on Google ratings and reviews to make informed decisions. People often read reviews before choosing a product, service, or establishment. Positive ratings and favorable reviews can influence potential customers to choose a new project over its competitors. Competitive advantage. In a crowded marketplace, positive Google ratings can give a new project a competitive edge. If customers see that a project has consistently high ratings, they are more likely to choose it over similar projects with lower ratings. Positive ratings can help differentiate a new project and attract customers who value quality and customer satisfaction. Feedback and improvement. Google ratings provide valuable feedback for a new project. Reviews can offer insights into what customers appreciate about the project and areas where improvements can be made. By analyzing ratings and reviews, project owners can identify strengths and weaknesses, make necessary adjustments, and enhance the overall customer experience. Local search optimization. For projects targeting local customers, Google ratings are particularly important. Local search results often prioritize businesses with positive ratings. A new project with high ratings is more likely to appear in the local pack or map pack, increasing its visibility to potential customers in the area. Brand building. Positive Google ratings contribute to brand building efforts. When customers consistently rate a project highly, it helps establish a positive brand image and reputation. Over time, a project with a strong rating can become synonymous with quality, leading to increased brand recognition and customer loyalty. In summary, Google ratings are crucial for new projects as they impact online reputation, visibility, consumer decision-making, competitive advantage, feedback and improvement, local search optimization, and brand building. Therefore, it's essential for project owners to prioritize customer satisfaction and actively manage and respond to ratings and reviews on Google.